Hello everyone, and welcome back once again to another interesting video. In today's video we'll discuss top 5 JavaScript frameworks. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. So, let's explore top 5 JavaScript frameworks. 1. React.js. Developed and maintained by Facebook, React has become a juggernaut in the world of JavaScript frameworks. Its component-based architecture allows developers to create reusable UI components, making the development process modular and efficient. React's virtual DOM minimizes performance bottlenecks by efficiently updating only the necessary parts of the actual DOM. JSX, a syntax extension for JavaScript, enables the creation of declarative and visually appealing UI components. Key features: Virtual DOM, component-based architecture, JSX. Use cases: User interfaces, single-page applications, dynamic content rendering. 2. Vue.js. Vue.js has gained a strong following due to its simplicity and flexibility. It offers a gradual learning curve, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced developers. Vue's two-way data binding simplifies state management and ensures that changes in the data are reflected in the UI and vice versa. The Vue router facilitates seamless navigation within single-page applications. Key features: Progressive framework, two-way data binding, Vue router. Use cases: Interactive web applications, UI components, prototyping. 3. Angular. Developed by Google, Angular is a comprehensive framework designed for building complex and feature-rich web applications. Its powerful toolset includes features like dependency injection, which enhances modularity and testability. Angular leverages TypeScript for static typing, enabling developers to catch errors early in the development process. It also provides built-in modules for routing, forms, and HTTP requests. Key features: Full-fledged framework, dependency injection, TypeScript integration. Use cases: Enterprise-level applications, data-intensive applications, large-scale projects. 4. Svelte. Svelte takes a unique approach by compiling components into highly optimized JavaScript at build time. This results in smaller bundle sizes and improved runtime performance. Svelte's reactive statements allow developers to express reactivity directly in the template, simplifying state management. The framework minimizes the need for boilerplate code, making it a great choice for rapid development. Key features: Compiler-based approach, reactive statements, minimal boilerplate. Use cases: Single-page applications, performance-critical applications, data visualization. 5. Ember.js. Ember.js stands out for its opinionated approach, emphasizing convention over configuration. This means that developers can follow established patterns and structures, which streamlines development and enforces best practices. Ember CLI, a command-line tool, simplifies the setup and management of Ember applications. Handlebars templates provide a clear separation of concerns between HTML and JavaScript. Key features: Convention over configuration, Ember CLI, Handlebars templates. Use cases: Ambitious web applications, applications with complex UI, developer productivity. Remember, selecting a framework is not the end of the world. Most frameworks are very similar, so if you learn one of them, you can easily switch to another framework. That's all for this video. We will learn more about JavaScript programming in upcoming videos. So, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up for more content, and hit that notification bell, so you don't miss any upcoming video. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.